Welcome to week 8. Week 8 is meant to be a bit of a reprieve. I know a lot of you are coming off midterms from other classes. We have had nose to the grindstone in this class as we've launched websites, created your businesses, and now we're jumping into marketing. And so there's just the one assignment this week. Hopefully that gives you some extra time if you need to polish off something for your website or your business, or if there's something else in life outside of this class that you need to catch up on, you'll have some extra time to do that. And so we just have the one assignment this week, which will be your ads and ad groups, and that will be it. So let's jump right into that. I mentioned this in last week's screencast, but really the focus will be moving forward. The focus moving forward will be on marketing and how to get your business out into the world. Now that you have your website, how do we start driving traffic to it? And Google Ads will be just one component of that. So this week you will officially write your ad for Google Ads. Please note the format of an expanded text ad for Google. You'll have your headline that's meant to really catch their attention. You'll have a brief explanation before that, and you'll have under that, I should say that, and then a URL under that. So follow that pattern as you turn in your text ads this week. But there's some information on there, and I encourage students to think about it this way. You do want something that catches the eye and catches the attention. That's the art of marketing. This is also your first test of integrity, and whether a customer knows it or not, they're assessing your integrity as a business from the first moment they interact with you. Will you deliver on what you say you'll deliver? And that's how we judge businesses. Is you've caught my interest with this ad. Can you deliver on that? Are you consistent with what you promise in your advertisement? Because if you overpromise and underdeliver in this ad, you won't find many potential customers converting into customers. So think about that. As you advertise, your integrity will be on the line as a company, and that will always be the case every time you advertise or make a commitment to a potential customer. So using this information up here, this video, you'll go through and you'll write your ad, your expanded Google ad. Then copy and paste that completed ad into a Word document and explain one concept from the reading Write Successful Text Ads that helped you in that process. And so this link right here will take you to the key text for this assignment. I encourage you to look at the other ones as well, but really this is the key text that needs to be quoted or explained in your essay. And that will be it for this week as far as assignments go. You will have your discussion board, of course, and your reflection, but hopefully this allows you a little bit more flexibility in your week to get caught up on some other things, as well as spend the time you'll need to really get familiar with Google Ads and writing your very first text ad.